Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Becky Timms here live for The Drive at 5. And on this The Drive at 5, I want to share with you how you can make $1,000 a week working less than 20 hours. So I want to give you some disclaimers because in no way do I want to make you think that this is like the easiest thing in the world, because it's not. It's going to take some skill, it's going to take some time, but I will tell you this: once you learn this skill, it's like riding a bike. But remember, when you were learning how to ride a bike, it's like, you know, you fell down, you scratched your knee, you cried, you put a band-aid on it, you got back up, you wobbled some more, you fell down, even though you had training wheels, right? So I know I get on here every day and I talk about Amazon, and I'm super passionate about it and I'm excited, but in no way do I want you to think that this is an easy business. It's simple, but you need to learn how to do it. And for those of you that are watching YouTube videos and you're getting all the free information in the Facebook groups and things like that, yes, you can do that. But when you do that, guys, you're paying with your time. So you can either pay with your money or pay with your time. So that's what I want to share with you today, but I do not want to mislead you in any way. So for those of you that don't know me, my name's Becky Timms, and I am super passionate about helping women earn their first dime online with e-commerce. And so I'm going to share with you a way right now how you can make $1,000 a week working less than 20 hours. So this is what I would do if I were starting over right now. First of all, I would, and this is assuming, here's some prerequisites. This is assuming that you already have an LLC or you already have a business. And I would buy a software, whether it be Jungle Scout or I use ASI Inspector, anything like that. And I would pick a niche that you are either one, familiar with, or two, that you're passionate about. Familiar and passionate. So for example, I work in water treatment. I know a lot about water treatment. I've been in the industry for 22 years. So I could definitely do water treatment. I see Willie's on here. Willie knows so much about the fire department. He could do that. So what I want to share with you is you pick a niche, pick something that you're passionate about, and get that software. And then what you're going to look for is you're going to look for hidden gems. You are going to look for items that are selling on Amazon that are making high margins. You're making a lot, or they're making a lot of profit, but they're not being fulfilled by Amazon. So it's kind of like what I shared with you yesterday of where I found a product that was being sold on a placemat at a restaurant, except you're going to be using software to find this product. And guys, that you only need one. You're one product away, right? And so after you use the software, you find that this product is selling. You see there's good keywords. It's something that you're passionate about. It's something that you can talk about. You eat, sleep, and breathe this product. Then you can order the product from the supplier. And what's going to happen is usually it's going to be shipped from either the manufacturer. It's either going to be drop shipped to you from the manufacturer. And that's what you're looking for. You're looking for the supplier of that product. So what you can do is sometimes, depending on how the item was shipped, it can be shipped by UPS or the Postal Service or FedEx, and maybe the return address is hidden. But let's say that the return address is showing. So the first thing you could do is put that address into Google, and you can maybe get the distributor or the manufacturer of that item, and that's what you want. If it's not showing, then you could call FedEx or you could call USPS or the post office or UPS and say, hey, I have this package, I'd like to return it. Could you tell me what the return address is? They'll give you the address, you put it into Google, and you just be a private investigator. You think differently, right? You're gonna become a private investigator, and you're going to get that address, go back to Google, and then you're just going to call the company and say, hi, my name is Becky Timms with ABC Company, and then just treat it as you would and ask if you could wholesale that item, and then do Amazon FBA. And then of course when you do Amazon FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon, you're going to get exposure to millions and millions and millions of prime customers that the supplier that's already selling it is not going to do. So just wanted to share this with you. It's a super easy way to make a lot of money. A lot of people can do it, but they give up on themselves before they even get started. And I know I get on here, I know I make it sound easy, but guys, there was a time when I was frustrated. There was a time when I scratched my knee. There was a time when I fell off the bike and wanted to run over it with the car, but I kept going. You know, you get up and you do it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. So for those of you that are just tuning in, my name's Becky Timms. I'm super passionate about helping women earn their first dime online with e-commerce. I hope these tips helped you on how you could start right now today to make $1,000 a week and working less than 20 hours a week. So leave me some comments and let me know if you thought this was helpful. Share it with your friends. See if it's something that, have you even thought about that? You know, a lot of people are like, Becky, I don't even think the way you think. I remember my mentor, my very first mentor, she's like, Becky, people don't think like you think. And I'm like, whoo, well, maybe that's a good thing, because sometimes I just think of some crazy stuff, right? So anyway, I hope these tips helped. Share it, like it. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, and I will see you tomorrow on the Drive at 5. Bye.